This is a demonstration of how to turn a strip right side out. So what I have here is a 2" by 15" strip of fabric with my 1/2" seam allowance, as I recommended to you guys, all sewn in. The reason I went with this dimension was so that you wouldn't get into the problem of having your seam too close to the edge and then it fraying out. So I've placed the little safety pin at one end, and then I'm going to turn it to the inside of the tube. So you can see it's on the inside. And now I'm just going to start to push it into the tube and try to get the folds of fabric over it. And as I said, the hardest part is getting it started. Generally, once you've got it started, it doesn't work too badly after that. So we just kind of got to work away a little bit at a time and just kind of ease it with your fingernails and just do it a little. And I'm using a small pin. You could use a larger pin if you want, but I find the small pin goes through maybe just as quickly, but it's up to you. So what you don't want to do is get it too bunched up at the turning point, because if it gets too bunched up, then you just can't move any fabric. So you just keep doing it. You just keep going with your fingernails, coaxing it along. See how I'm coaxing it along? It's a little bit bunched up there, so I had to fix that. I find sometimes if I just kind of wet my fingertips, you can grab the fabric a little bit easier. Like, you can make your strips skinnier, but it just makes it a little trickier if you don't have a generous seam allowance, because then it could rip out on you after you turn it. The other little trick you can do is you can clip the little corner there a little bit to when you first start turning it, just to get it started. So you can see the pin is coming out the other end. And then once that happens, it seems to go much quicker. So it's turned. And then you just take the pin out, tie it in a knot. There you go. One strap is done. And then when you get 3 more like this, you just kind of put them together so that we've got a nice, 4 straps per mask. So there you go. That's how you do it.